Make her desire you again. Silent Stoic script. She didn't stop desiring you. She stopped feeling safe to show it. Desire never dies. It just hides when trust fades. 1. She fears that every touch must lead to sex. Many women learned affection is never free. A kiss becomes a signal. A hug becomes pressure. Hold her, without agenda, without demand. Let your touch mean peace, not expectation. 2. She experiences desire differently. A man's fire is instant. A woman's desire flows slow. She feels through connection, tone, patience. Don't rush the flame. Learn her rhythm. When she feels seen, she will crave you again. 3. Testosterone drives your pursuit. Her calm makes her wait. You feel desire as drive. She feels it as invitation. Masculinity is restraint. When you can want her without consuming her, she begins to want you again. 4. Emotional connection is the ignition. A woman opens only when she feels safe. Listen. Respect. Be present. When she feels seen, she opens naturally. You build attraction through presence, not pressure. 5. Sometimes it's just her mood. Hormones rise and fall like tides. When she's tired or anxious, don't take it personal. Wait. Stay grounded. The calm man becomes her safe place to return to. 6. Fear of rejection runs deep. She was taught to wait, not to want. When she reaches, notice it. Welcome it. Acceptance teaches her it's safe to want again. 7. When she's exhausted, desire fades. Work and stress drain her energy. Share her load. Let her rest. When she feels supported, her spark returns. 8. Bring her back slowly. Touch without demand. Speak without fixing. Show love beyond sex. When she feels your calm and patience, she moves toward you from real desire. Real power isn't taking. It's staying still until she chooses to come closer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Silent Stoic, so each day you become stronger, calmer, and more grounded.